Welcome to NextGen AI Lab, the place where your wildest creative ideas meet the power of AI. If you've ever dreamed of making videos but felt stuck because you don't have a studio, a crew, or expensive gear, this channel is built for you. Here, I break down the newest AI tools step by step so you can create cinematic content with nothing more than your laptop and imagination. And trust me, once you see how easy it is, you'll realize the only limit is your curiosity. So hit subscribe now, and let's dive into today's tutorial on how RunwayML can turn a single photo into a moving, cinematic video in minutes. Alright, before we do anything cool, let's get you into the website. So just open up your browser, and in the address bar, type this in, runwayml.com. That's runwayml.com. Once the page loads, hit that big Get Start button at the top right. If you already have a Google account, you can just sign in with one click, super fast. And boom, you're in. Welcome to the Runway dashboard. Now don't let all the buttons scare you. We're going to take it slow. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and you'll be generating your first AI video in just a minute. Alright, once you're inside Runway, things might look a little busy at first. But don't worry, you're mostly going to use just two things: generate image, generate videos. Let's start with images. Click Generate Image, and you'll see a chat box pop up. Think of this like texting an AI artist. You just type what you want to see. For example, let's go with something fun. A dog wearing sunglasses sitting at a beach cafe during sunset. Yeah, why not? Before you hit generate, you can tweak a few settings. Aspect ratio, like 3:4 or 16:9, depending on your needs. Number of images to export at a time. Image quality, go ahead and set it to 1080p. And how many images you want. For now, let's just do one. Then hit generate, and bam, you've got a unicorn cruising in style. First, make sure you're in video mode, not image. Then click Select Asset and upload the photo you want to animate. I'm using this one, a dog chilling at a beach cafe. Total vacation vibes. Now in the prompt box, just describe what you want the video to do. Something simple like, the dog lifts its head slightly and the ocean waves move behind it. No need to overthink it. Just write what you'd see in a short film. Then choose your settings. Length. Start with 5 seconds. Aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Hit generate and give it a moment. In under 2 minutes, your still image becomes a cinematic clip with motion, lighting, camera moves. It's pretty wild what AI can do. Pretty amazing, right? From just one photo, I can turn it into a cinematic video in minutes. And this is only the beginning. If you want to keep discovering powerful AI tools like this, hit subscribe and join the NextGen AI Lab community. Before you go, drop a comment. What's the first thing you'd create with AI video?